Hi guys, create a smart depth can significantly enhance your outdoor living space. Provide a comfortable, functional area for relax, entertain, or simple enjoy the outdoor. If you have limited space but want to maximize its constant, careful plan and design are and here and in gas on idea for design and build smart depth with various style, material and layout. Other to consider to consider their idea will help you create and choose the invite and effective depth. First, plan and define your purpose. Before you start design your smart depth, consider how you plan to use the space. If it's for entertain, guess a quick retreat for read or an outdoor dining area. Now it's temporary purpose will help you make info about the design layout entertain. If the depth is for host, guess your part to focus on step others such as build in branch, found chair or smart selective incorporating a space effect, fire pick or an outdoor burn also enhance the social atmosphere. Dining A smart depth for outdoor dining, well lit space for a compost dining table and chair, furniture with a simple profile or built in set can help make the most of the limited square feet. Understanding your depth proposed will give the layout and functional your impact. Other for multi-functional furniture. Space safe furniture is essential. For smart depth, look for multi-furniture price that can survey most than one allow you to maximize the use area. Build in branch with space. Branch they double as space unit provide set and a place to stone gardening supported or other outdoor build are also as smart use for space balance than they need for stored among set followable asset furniture follow chair table stone to great other for smartest depth when not in use. Those price can be easy stood create most open space. Double purpose table. A smart table that serves as both a dining space and a work space can be at some table also impact storage underneath add quick by select furniture the that functional and composed you can avoid overcrowd your depth step have everything you need choose versatile space when space on the group is limited think vertical gardening space and wall movement allow you to add gardening, story, and style without use follow space. Vertical gardening, wall movement plants with convenient variants have pots allow you to add a last touch of need to your depth without take up room. Vertical gardening can also create a scene of provide if your depth is close to neighbor. Paglo and Shave, a smart Paglo and around overhand can provide shade and support for hand plants or light even on a smart depth add an over and create a scene of demo and a choosy atmosphere. Choose the right material. Select the right material for your smart depth make a big difference in aesthetic and main entrance. Here are some material to consider: wood, traditional wood, depth like and redwood, often a warm, natural look. However, wood requires resisting main entrance such as and stand to protesting if for the elements would it's a cost effect for depth that balance and approving compost compost depth make for a mix for wood fiber and is the problem look main interest choice if switch and make it idea if you want to long last depth with lost upkeep. Compost board come in a various of color and finish to must they look for natural wood. Choose material that serve your aesthetic, compost, and main interest reference while help your depth enjoy depth for year of come. Maximum set on a smart depth make the most of your set in choosy whether your restaurant salt or host a smart group consider set solved that often fixable and composed awesome built-in branch as moment built-in branch can save space by eliminating the need for stood element chair. You can also customize the loft and height to sub your tab demo branch with a dining table. For a smart dining area, consider use a branch on one side of the table. Branch take up lost room, then chair and can